The nominees for achievement in sound effects editing are Aliens, Don Sharpe. Star Trek IV, The Journey Home, Mark Mangini. Top Gun, Cecilia Hall and George Waters II. And the winner is Don Sharpe for Aliens.
I would like to thank the Academy for this great honour, and to all my colleagues who helped so much, particularly to Archie Ludsky, Rocky Phelan, Peter Horrocks, Alan Paley, Dev Goodman, Jack Knight, Terry Busby and David Sharpe, and to Gail Ann Hurd, the producer of Aliens, and James Cameron, the director, for their encouragement and enthusiasm. Thank you very much.